hello again, everybody, and we're off on another diving adventure, and got a real humdinger for you this time. We're come all the way down to Cabo San Lucas, and we're actually now at Cabo Pulmo because we're crazy and want to dive out in the middle of nowhere. So that's a national park down around the Cabo San Lucas, Cabo San Jose sort of area. So if you come down, it's that tip of the Baja Peninsula. And yeah, we're going to be doing, here's a map actually, and you know I'm big on maps with Scuba Seasons. Yeah, there's the map of all the dive sites that we're doing. And we only get 2 dives, but I'll make the most of them. You know, I'll be putting them into the app and getting all the reviews going through, because, oh right, yes, I am testing a new feature for Scuba Seasons. It is a dive site review feature, so I'll show you a bit of that as I go. But for now, we are waiting for our afternoon dive to start, because it was a 2.5-hour drive to get here, and got to get the legs back to not being stiff.
All the things you could...
Well, that was fun. I won't name names, but someone who's running our trip insisted we need 5 mils, and it's 28-degree water, so Matt over here, and me, I'm also a Matt if you didn't know, just went rushing around the shops down here in Cabo Pulmo to get rash guards, because that's much more appropriate for the heat we're going to be getting today.
They getting ready.
So yeah, if you're doing Socorro, 5 mil, anything else in Mexico, just 3 or less. Pro tip of the day. Well guys, that was 2 dives at Cabo Pulmo. There's the little boats that we are using. Let me zoom in for you. There you go. Oop, come on, focus. So yeah, what you probably saw, it's a back roll in off these little boats. So be ready for that if you come do them. But these are really good sites actually. I'm talking to these guys about getting them into the app because there's a lot of seasonal aspects out here. But yeah, like I said, I'm testing the features, the new feature for reviewing the dive sites. So I will have the 2 reviews in the sites for the ones we've got. I just have to get their names. And this is sort of our warm-up before we get on to the Nautilus Bellamy and we go to the Sea of Cortez. So look forward to that one next, because that's what I'm diving next. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.